Welcome to my English project. This is Pari Dubey from class 9th A, and today I am going to present my English activity on the topic The Tribes of Assam. Assam is acknowledged as the settling land for a lot of cultures. A number of tribal groupings have landed in the soils of Assam in the course of diverse directions, as the territory was linked to a number of states and many different countries. Types of tribes. The Constitution of India categorizes the tribes of Assam into two groups, hills and plains. Major tribes of Assam: Garo, Boro, Rabha, Dimasa, Gangte, Chutia, Koch, Sonowal, Diori and Tiva. First we'll talk about Garo tribe. The Garos are an indigenous Tibeto-Burman ethnic group from the Indian subcontinent, notably found in the Indian states of Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura, Nagaland and neighbouring areas of Bangladesh. Their major cuisine is Nakhambichi. Their major songs are Kore, Doka and Ajia. Their major dance forms are Ajima Roha and Chambil Moa. Their major festival is Wangla. Their ornaments sets are known as Sissa, Nadirong, Natapsi, Jaksan and Ripok. The traditional attire of women is Dakshari and traditional attire of men is Dakmanda. Their major weapon is known as Milam. Their total population in Assam is approximately 1,36,077. They speak Garo language and some of them speak Assamese too. They follow Christianity and Song Sarik religion. They belong to Hill tribe. Next we'll talk about Boro tribe. The Boro is the largest ethno-linguistic group in the Assam state of India. They are a part of the greater Bodo-Kachari family of ethno-linguistic groups and are spread across northeastern India. They are concentrated mainly in the Bodoland territorial region of Assam, though Boros inhabit all other districts of Assam. Total population is 14,07,771. They speak Boro as well as Assamese language. They follow Batho, Hinduism and Christianity. They are recognized as Plains tribe. Their major dance form is Bagu Rumba. Their major musical instrument is kham and sipong. Their major cuisine is Oma Bidor and Onla. Their major festival is Bavi Sagu. The traditional attire of women is Dokhona. Next we'll talk about Rabha tribe. Rabha, also Rabha, are an indigenous Tibeto-Burman community of the Indian states of Assam, Meghalaya and West Bengal. In Assam, the Rabhas live mostly in Golpara, Kamrup, Kokrajhar, Udalguri and Baksa districts, and also in some places of Bongaigaon, Chirang, Sonitpur and Karbi Anglong districts. Their total population in Assam is approximately 2,96,189. They speak Rabha and Assamese. They follow Hinduism. They are Hill tribe. Their ornaments are Nambri and Chan. Their major dresses are Rifan and Pathani. Their major weapons are Dhal Khapar. Their major cuisine is local herbs and edible insects. Their staple diet is rice. Their major festival is Baiko. Dimasa tribe. The Dimasa people are an indigenous ethno-linguistic community presently inhabiting Assam and Nagaland states in northeastern India. They speak Dimasa and Tibeto-Burman. Their population in Assam is approximately 6,716. They follow Hinduism and Buddhism. Their main occupation is agriculture. Their major festival is Bushu. Their major dance forms are Baidima, Bai di Jua, Bai Dimbra. Their major food is rice pear, which is also known as jaw. Gangte tribe. Gangte tribe are an indigenous inhabitants of Mizoram, Assam, Manipur and Myanmar. Their total population in world is 40,400. They speak Gangte. They follow Christianity. Their major festival is Tapchalkut and Mimkut. They eat meat. Their literacy rate is 99%. Next we'll talk about Chutia tribe. The Chutia people are an ethnic group originating in the state of Assam. They are part of the Kachhari group. The Chutia people, through the Chutia dynasty, formed their kingdom in the present Indian states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh and reigned from 1187 to 1673. These were the first people in Assam to use firearms. Their total population in world is approximately 2 to 2.5 million. They speak Assamese and Chutia language, which was formerly known as Deori language. They follow folk religion, Ekarsana Dharm and Hinduism. Traditional attire of men in this tribe is Chutia Pagori, Chutia Sola, Churia, Gamusa, Chelang Sator and Tongali. Traditional attire of women in this tribe is Riha, Makhela and Gathiki. Now we'll talk about Koch Rajbongshi tribe. Koch Rajbongshi is an ethnic group inhabiting parts of Assam, Meghalaya, northern West Bengal, Bihar and on the eastern parts of Nepal, Bhutan and northern Bangladesh. Their total population in Assam is approximately 1,91,438. They speak Koch, Rajbongshi, Assamese and Kamtapuri language. They follow Hinduism and Islam. Their staple diet is rice. Their music is known as Kamtapuri folk song. Sonowal Kachhari tribe. Sonowal Kachhari are one of the indigenous people of the state of Assam in northeast India. They are of Tibeto-Burman origin and are closely associated with the other ethnic groups of Assam, which are commonly referred to as Kachhari. They are the third largest plain group of Assam. Total population in Assam is 1,98,619. They speak Assamese language. They follow Hinduism and Christianity. Their main occupation is agriculture. Their staple food is rice. Traditional dress of women is chadar, makhela and riha. Their major festival is Bohua dance festival. Their major cuisine is kho risa. Deori tribe. Deori is one of the major indigenous community of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The Deori community belongs to the Sino-Tibetan family of Mongoloid stock. Their total population in world is 52,000. They speak Deori and Assamese. They follow Hinduism. Traditional dress of men is dhoti and gamcha. Traditional dress of women is sari and gamcha. Major festival is Magio Bisu. Major food or the food which they eat the most is dal and chicken curry. Next we'll talk about the last tribe, which is Tiva tribe. Tiva is an ethnic group mainly inhabiting the states of Assam and Meghalaya in northeastern India. They are also found in some areas of Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Nagaland. They are recognized as a scheduled tribe within the state of Assam. They are also known as Lalungs in the Assamese Puranjis. Their total population in Assam is approximately 2,13,000. They speak Tiva and Assamese. They follow Hinduism and Christianity. Their major festival is Three Bisu, which is also known as Bihu, and Borot Utsav. Their staple food is rice. But before ending this presentation, I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to Mrs. Parul ma'am as well as Miss Shweta ma'am who gave us this golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic the tribes of Assam, which helped me in doing a lot of research and I came to know about so many new things. I am really thankful to them. Thank you for watching my presentation.